Hi viewers, welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Myself Naveen, I am the maths mentor, and today our session is about mode. Students, what does mode? Mode in the sense most frequently occurring item. For example, let us consider the following data: 3, 3, 5, 5, 4, 3, 6, 3, 7. This is the data, and we have to find out the mode of the given data. If you observe the given data, as the observation 3 is repeating several times. I mean, in this case 3 is repeating 5 times. Is there any observation repeating most frequently? Of course, 5 is repeating several times, that is only 3 times, but whereas 3 which is occurring 5 times. So what is the mode of the data? The mode of the data is 3 here, right? For example, if we include 2 more observation, that is 5 and 5. Now, can you say me what is the mode of the given data? As here 3 is repeating 5 times and also 5 is repeating 5 times. Then what is the mode of the data? Because here the observation 3 and 5 which are occurring same number of times. So the mode of the data is 3 and 5, and such mode is called as bimodal data. Bimodal data. Okay. Whereas in previous case the only mode is 3, that is called as unimodal data. Unimodal data. Right? If it is only one observation is repeating several times, that is called as unimodal data. If at all two observations are repeating several times, that is called as bimodal data. So this is about data, mode. Now let us discuss about how to find mode of grouped data. Our session is about mode of grouped data. Let us consider the score of 20 students in a test. So class interval between 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60, and these are the marks between 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60, and the number of students are 1, 6, 7, 4 and 2, for example. So total how many students we have in a class test? The score of 20 students. So this is class interval, nothing but marks, and frequency is nothing but number of students, right? Now how to find mode of the grouped data? The formula to find mode of grouped data is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. L plus F1 minus F0 or F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay children, now let us see what are the terms which are involved in the formula of mode. So what is L? L is nothing but lower boundary of L in the sense lower boundary of modal class, and coming to F1 in the sense frequency of modal class. What is F0? Frequency of the class preceding the modal class, and F2 is frequency of the class succeeding the modal class, and H is class size. Okay, is it clear? What are the terms which are involved in the formula of mode? L in the sense lower boundary of the modal class. Then how to find lower boundary of the modal class? So let us see what is F1. F1 is frequency of modal class. So if you observe the frequency of given data, among these, which is the highest frequency? Of course, 7 is the highest frequency, that is our frequency of modal class F1. As I told you, L is nothing but lower boundary of the modal class. Okay, so what is the corresponding class interval of highest frequency? That is 30 to 40, which is our modal class. Our modal class is 30 to 40. In that, 30 is called our lower boundary and 40 is our upper boundary. Right? So children, did you understand how to find L? Frequency of the modal class. How to find frequency of modal class? Highest frequency, that is called F1. Corresponding class interval is our modal class. What is F0? Frequency of the class preceding the modal class. 7 preceding is 6. This is our F0. And F2 is frequency of the class succeeding the modal class. Succeeding modal class is 4. Right? So children, now coming to H. H is nothing but class size. What do you mean by class size? Difference between two successive class intervals. If you observe, the difference between two successive class intervals is always 10. So what is the height of the class size? Class size is here, in this case 10. Now let us substitute these values in our formula. Mode equal to L plus, L in the sense 30 plus F1 minus F0, F1 in the sense 7 minus F0 is 6 by 2F1, 2 into 7 minus F0 minus F2. F0 is 6, F2 is 4 into class size is 10. Right? So 30 plus 7 minus 6, 1, 2 7 are 14, minus 6 minus 4, that is minus 10 into 10. So 30 plus 1 into 10, 10 by 14 minus 10, that is 4. 2 table, 2 5 are 2 2s are. So that is 30 plus 5 by 2 children. 5 by 2 in the sense 2.5, right? So 30 plus 2.5, that is 32.5. So children, be careful when we are doing calculations. So I mean here 1 10 are 10 by 14 minus 10 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 5 are 10. So 5 by 2 in the sense 2.5. So 30 plus 2.5, 32.5. So what is the mode of the given data, children? Mode is 32.5. This is the procedure to find the mode of the given data. Right, children? So mode formula is L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So this terminology also, I think, crystal clear to you, the procedure to find the mode of the given data. So this is about mode, children. If you understand this concept clearly, please hit subscribe button, like it and share it to your friends, children. Thank you.